Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay app tips and tricks. If you have Alipay app and you are using Alipay TourCard, it is important for you to understand and listen to this message I'm about to share with you right here in this video, because recently Alipay announced that Alipay TourCard will stop working for every user in Alipay. And for some reason, there is an alternative for you to continue using your Alipay TourCard for your payment of goods and services in Alipay app. Whether you are outside China or you are in China, provided that the merchants are in support of Alipay as a missed payment. Let me show you how. So the very first thing we want to do is to make sure we open up our Alipay app. Having opened up your Alipay app, click on more right here to have access to Alipay TourCard. The next thing you want to do right here, you can see from my recently app right here, you see TourCard right here. However, if you have not launched or opened TourCard before on your Alipay app, you just want to make sure you scroll down right here. And then Alipay TourCard is always under the fund services right here. Okay. All you have to do is to simply click on TourCard right here. And then it's going to open up like so. Click on enter right here. Then here you go. By the time you click on use now, you are going to see a pop-up message loading up right here that the Alipay mini program keys card application and activation services on this date of the year. You can continue to use this service via the Naiho China app. This is another app that you need to make use right now to continue using the same service as you are enjoying your Alipay TourCard in Alipay. You just want to be sure you go ahead and search for the Naiho China app. Go ahead and simply click on confirm right here. And then go ahead and access from your Alipay app. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed to your Google Play Store. If you are using Android phone, go to your Play Store right here. If you are using iPhone, go to your App Store. Then having get to your Play Store or App Store, go ahead and click on search right here. Then click on search app again. And then what you need to do is to go ahead and look for Naiho China. Naiho China. Go ahead and click on that. And it's going to take you to this mini app right here. Click on here. Then you have the app right here. So you can check on the app preview right here. So you can see this is pay, Metro Bus, scan, and then you can slide this way, speech translation, emergency, as the case may be, and then your bill, your wallet is going to be, and then your wallet is going to be found right here. It's that simple. All you have to do is to simply click on install. After a successful installation, you can set up your account and start using Naiho China for replacement of your Alipay TourCard. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.